Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So we have Star, Four of Earth, and Two of Water. So, in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, Capricorn, you are someone dedicated, devoted, and you are working hard, doing your best, but you may see some difficulties in your circumstances. Some delays may be there in your work, or there may be some misunderstanding in your relationship. But you are someone who has confidence, grit, and perseverance, and you are determined to see good changes in your life, determined to work hard. And maybe you may feel a little lost when you see your circumstances are not going as expected, and you may not understand what is the reason why certain things are unfolding in a particular way in your life, certain aspects. So you may feel a lot stressed, anxious, or you may have some fears about the future, or fears of that your dreams and goals may not manifest. But you are someone who believes in divine order, and maybe that may be the reason. It may be a divine order or destiny, whatever you call it, the reason for your situation. Maybe you are working hard, doing your best, but still you may see some difficult circumstances. That may be true even for your relationship. Though you would have had a beautiful understanding with them, with this person, mutual love, respect, and caring would have been there, and you feel really happy with them. You feel like you feel a deep soul connection, and you love each other, you understand each other very well. But still, there may be some troubles in this love, some minor misunderstanding, arguments may be there. And though you may have a beautiful understanding, you may feel that certain aspects are some very difficult for you to handle, certain aspects in this relationship. And but you have great hope that this love is the love of your life. Maybe it is a new beginning that is coming to you today. You may feel a lot inspired, encouraged with this person in this love. And there are problems, but you have a strong determination, courageous heart, and you believe that it is the divine order of things that is the reason for your circumstances today, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 10 of Fire. So with this card in your situation, it may be what you feel about this person or what they feel. Maybe you are too committed, you feel that you are carrying all the burden, all that emotional burden today. Maybe it is time for you to think again about this relationship. Think about the emotions that you may have that is worrying you or stressing you. So, in order to feel relieved, you need to give up or change yourself. Realize that certain things are not worth it. And if you feel that this relationship is not worth your attention, is not worth uh, you crying or feeling emotional, you must take your own, you must reassess this circumstance. See whether this relationship is worth all your crying, all your pain. So let us see what is the card for your career. We have one card, 6 of fire. So in your work circumstances, there may be opportunities, offers coming in your life. You may feel a lot happy and you may hold an important position in a new project or something, a new beginning coming in your work, something that is going to make you very happy today, Capricorn. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. For those who chose this card, the first card, we have Tambulina, expectations. So, in your circumstances, there are people who may not know your worth, they may not understand your true qualities, but you may feel that they are not really friendly with you and maybe even rejecting you. But you should not lose heart, you should not lose hope, and you should not lose people who really care for you along the way when you feel stressed or when you feel a little low or sad because there are people ridiculing you or rejecting you for being different. So each and every one of us are unique, and you will find the people who love you for your uniqueness, who will understand you, and you will find people like you who will love you as you are. And you need to face the challenges in your life with an open mind as an opportunity to learn something, to opportunity to learn a lesson. And maybe people will not value you if they do not know anything about you. So this may be the time for you to find people who appreciate you for what you are, finding your soul family, people who are loving you and caring for you deeply, truthfully. And this card speaks about that friendship and that kind of relationship. And you should not lose hope, and you should not feel rejected or sad for what is happening today, because there is no one like you and you are a unique person, and you will find the love you need and you expected. That is the energy with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it's hematite. It's a crystal spirits card. With this crystal, the energy is that in your circumstances, maybe you are taking someone for granted, maybe a friend or a family member, and we are always thinking of the negative aspects in our life, maybe some problems or some dangers, and we often forget the wonderful qualities our friends or family members have, and we tend to take them for granted. And maybe today it is time for you to express your love, express that your gratitude towards those people, maybe friends or your partner, showing them your love and kindness and showing your happiness for their presence in your life, because relationships are the strong rock on which we can rely on during difficult times. So these people are the foundation that support us, and we should not forget them. We should nourish these relationships. So this crystal spirit just asks us to express our love and kindness, maybe saying a thank you to our neighbor and doing some things to our friends, whatever they love, just to show our gratitude for their help and for them being with us in this life. And this crystal spirit just asks us to express our love and appreciation to people who are close to us in our life. So that is the energy here with this crystal spirit card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.